against Crystal Palace. What was it about him that you were impressed with? Rivals for a place in the Champions League.
Allow that space for Jamie Vardy, so I think that's one of the biggest threats Leicester have.
Towards the back end of the campaign, the Emirates, this crowd is very excited indeed. It feels... Well, after a summer of exciting signings, they are still a team with top-class talent to this season. For the Foxes, netted against the Gunners. Impressed at Selhurst Park, and today faces his old son, who again on his day can be somebody. Away match last season against Brentford. Foxes fair against Arsenal. He can't keep it alive, but already making a break from midfield. Coming off second best there briefly. The mould of strength. Shrewsbury Hall a standout in that midfield for Leicester. And Ramsdale is there. What a break that would
make that chance just here. That there is...
Quite get that cross past Partey. Has made some midfield breaks.
Nicely weighted ball, just couldn't open out his stride enough to get a tough
free kick as well. We talk about formation.
That's exactly what Jesus is looking at.
Aside, moves around at Arsenal at the moment for a corner kick, but Jesus isn't going to get one.
It is off of Vardy, but it was a cross in a flash. Ace on the ball from Martinelli.
And to just keep that cross away from the arriving Justin. Looking to spread it, Ødegaard. Maybe just took that ball. Arsenal win it back. Watford to take on his man. And he got the right side of Fofana. And a yellow. Martinelli, Gabriel is there.
To be able to minutes or so, it's been very even.
Now, he's still battling for it, concedes the free kick. This Arsenal swinging it in and arriving there at the back post is a good save.
I mean, Zinchenko turns away, puts his head in his hands because...
Booking as well. And Martinelli and Fofana had... Shows so much quality on the ball. Thought about the challenge, resisted it. Xhaka, it's all very tight for Arsenal, but that is absolutely brilliant! Look at the quality that the Brazilian has, and he's produced it at the Emirates.
Mikel Arteta to speak to his team.
It come off his own teammate.
I think it came...
And he scored the goal. Goes the corner towards the near post. Arsenal's new number 9 is settling in just fine.
Well, if ever you're going to see a poacher's goal, a goal scorer's goal, then they look like this.
And he's got it back, Jesus!
It's just all linking together, and so these little 1-2s that have been going around this area.
Now Vardy chasing after this. Oh, he got there first, Vardy. Penalty to Leicester, a route back into the game. No penalty. Fofana trying to force his way through, but Saka, Xhaka, it's still Xhaka. Zinchenko's had no problem either. Look at that for a piece of skill. And Maddison. Partey
play that ball in behind. It's exact as a centre-back.
Now Vardy trying to steal it behind. Oh, that's so unfortunate for William Saliba. Trying to cut that ball out. An own goal from the young Frenchman.
How quickly the game can turn, and Leicester right back in.
Jesus lurking. Oh, spilt by Ward. A present for Arsenal. A present for Granit Xhaka. And their response to conceding is immediate.
Leicester goalkeeper.
Jesus goes down. Darren England not interested.
Doesn't mean it's a penalty. There has to be sufficient contact.
Zinchenko. And they're looking for a handball there, Arsenal.
It was outside the box, but nonetheless, the arm's up in a bit of an...
Flashes across goal.
To get the cross in, it's just a shame nobody just...
In the time, Kelechi Iheanacho, and it's wide.
Sees that little pass back into Jesus. He doesn't strike that cleanly.
Favoured left, lovely reverse pass. Maddison squeezes it through. This game's not done yet. James Maddison, quiet first half, coming to life in the second half. 5 goals at the Emirates.
Block it, but it's too late. Hits it with too much power. 3-2.
Jesus. Martinelli. Line! The goals keep on coming at the Emirates today. And Martinelli to Arsenal and Leicester.
Like the James Maddison that's going to make something happen.
Arsenal in again. Jesus! There was the...
That's the moment.
Fresh boost to the latter parts of the chances to score a hat-trick, but he'll have